Every CA student finds it difficult to remember the section numbers of the law, and quoting section numbers of law in the examination is very important to score good marks. So in this video, I am going to tell you certain techniques which will help you to remember the section numbers of the law very easily. And this technique I have personally applied in my law examinations to clear my CA course. So watch this video till the end to make the best out of it. Hello friends, welcome to Combrella channel. My name is Karthik and my mission is to spread the knowledge and information about the field of commerce under one umbrella, which is Combrella. So help me in this mission by spreading a word about Combrella in your circles. With that, let's now go to the core part of the video. So the first step is take your law book and divide the entire syllabus into various chapters. This is done by ICA itself. Like say for IPCC, you will have accounts of companies, dividend, audit and auditors, share capital and debentures. If you take for final, you will have directors, meetings of the board, managerial personnel, etc. Okay. So divide entire law syllabus into various chapters. Then the second step is allocate the starting and the ending section numbers for every chapter. Okay, say like dividend is from section 123 to 127. Accounts of companies is from section 128 to section 138. Like this, allocate the starting and ending section number for all the chapters in your law syllabus. Then the third step is to take a long sized ruled notebook and write down all the section numbers and the section name of all the chapters. Say let's take for IPCC, if you have accounts of companies, so write down section 128 books of accounts, section 129 financial statements, section 130 reopening of accounts on courts or tribunals order. So like this, write down all the section numbers and the section name of all the chapters in that long size ruled notebook. But the important thing is, don't use short forms like FS for financial statements, and don't omit words such as and, the, etc. Write down the full section name verbatim as it is from the study material. Now after writing this, you have to start revising the section numbers daily. How to do that is, I will tell you with the help of an example. So day 1, let's say you start your morning study session at 7 am. So 7 to 7:10, 10 minutes of your time you have to keep it for revising the section numbers of the law. In that 10 minutes, revise 5 new section numbers. First time, look into your notebook where you have written all the section numbers, read it loudly by looking into the notebook. Okay. Then after that, close the notebook and then revise the section numbers without looking into the notebook and read it loudly so that it registers in your mind. Like example, section 128 books of accounts, section 129 financial statements, section 130 reopening of accounts in case of courts or tribunals order. Like this, keep revising the section numbers by reading out loudly. Okay. Then comes the second session. Say after post breakfast you start your session at 10 am. So 10 to 10:10, 10 minutes. In this 10 minutes, again add 5 new section numbers and then revise the 10 section numbers which you have read till now by reading it loudly again. Then post lunch session, say you start the post lunch session at 2 o'clock, then 2 to 2:10, just revise the 10 section numbers which you have learnt in the morning. Just revise, okay, by reading out loudly. Then comes the post dinner session, say 9 pm. I have divided, friends, this one day into 4 sessions. You can divide accordingly based upon your own choice. So post dinner session, say 9 to 9:10, in that 10 minutes add 5 new sections and then revise the 15 sections which you have revised during the day in that 10 minutes. So with that, if you see, in one day you have now revised 15 section numbers in 40 minutes by dividing 10 minutes per session throughout the day. Now, if I had told you to spend 40 minutes separately, one shot to revise 15 section numbers, definitely after 5 to 10 minutes, you would have felt bored and sleepy and would have left there as it is. Now this is a trick, or you can say a trick which you have tricked your brain, or you can call it as a cheat code, by which you have divided 10 minutes and learnt 15 section numbers of law in one day. So in one day you have to remember 10 to 15 sections only. Don't go less than 10 sections and don't cross more than 15 sections. Keep a minimum of 10, maximum of 15 sections, new sections revising per day. So now once you start following this technique, you will see that within 10 to 15 days, okay, maximum 15 days, you will be able to cover all the section numbers of law syllabus completely, which will be around somewhere 180 to 200 section numbers which are there in your syllabus. Okay, then after that you have to revise the section numbers of the law daily, like this, every day, every session, 10 minutes till the date of your exams. And you will see that after 20-25 days itself, the section numbers of law will be there in your tips, my dear friends. And even if I wake you up at night 12 o'clock and ask you this section, you will be able to tell us the section name fully. That is the power of this technique, friends. Okay, so let's say you start this reading the section numbers of law 60 days before the examination, that is 2 months before the exams. So within 15 days you will be able to cover all the section numbers. Then the remaining 45 days you have to keep revising daily, these section numbers. Then comes the day 2. In day 2, in the morning 7 to 7:10, you can revise the 15 section numbers of day 1. Then 10 to 10 a.m., 10 to 10:10, the 10 minutes post breakfast, you can add 5 new section numbers, okay, and revise the day 1 sections. Then post lunch session 2 to 2:10, add 5 new section numbers and revise the 10 section numbers of day 2, and also maybe revise day 1's section numbers. Then post dinner, that is 9 to 9:10, add 5 new sections for day 2, revise all the 15 sections of day 2, and if possible revise the 15 sections of day 1 itself. You will see that your speed of recollecting the sections and revising the section numbers will be so fast that you yourself will be astonished. Less than 5 minutes or somewhere around 4 to 5 minutes, you will be able to revise 15 sections of day 1 in the day 2. Okay, now comes the day 3. In day 3 morning 7 to 7:10, you can revise the 15 sections of day 1 and 15 sections of day 2. Just revise day 1 and day 2 section numbers. Then post breakfast, that is 10 to 10:10, add 5 new section numbers, revise day 1 section numbers alone. Then post lunch session 2 to 2:10, add 5 new section numbers of day 3, revise the 10 sections of day 3 and revise 15 sections of day 2. Then post dinner session 9 to 9:10, add 5 new section numbers of day 3, revise all the 15 sections of day 3 and maybe revise day 1 or day 2's section numbers according to your comfort. So friends, I hope now you got the technique. The main thing is, whenever you start to sit for studying, 10 minutes of that session in the starting you have to keep it for revising the section numbers of the law. And in that 10 minutes, you have to add 5 new section numbers for revision and revise the old section numbers. So keep adding new section numbers, keep revising old section numbers. Add new, revise old, add new, revise old. This is the technique you have to keep doing for 15 days, and after that it is only revision. So you can do various combinations. Sometimes you can read 10 sections per day or 15, whichever is possible, or whichever way you want to do combination of revision of revision of old section numbers or adding new section numbers, depending on the every session. That I'll leave it to you. But I hope now you got the core technique, which is the revising section numbers, reading loudly every session 10 minutes for 60 days. If you do it, definitely on the date of examination, automatically your hands will be writing the section numbers in the answer sheet. And not only that, even when the exams are done, you will be able to remember the section numbers of the law easily after the exams also with this technique. And I have found this technique very useful. You can also try this technique by yourself and check whether you are able to remember the section numbers of law easily or not. I am very sure this technique will be very, very useful to you. And if you find it useful, do share it with your friends so that they can also be benefited from this technique. So friends, if you have any other doubts or queries relating to CA, or if you want any other tips or tricks relating to the CA course, then let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to answer that. Thanks for watching this video. Namaste.